Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia. I flip 4 times a week: Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you're my doll, baby. Hi, doll, baby. So happy that you are here. Today I am doing a little bit of a different video. I am doing a hair accessory haul, Valentine's Day edition. I'm going to be doing some Valentine's Day inspired looks and hairdos and all kind of stuff. So I picked up a few things and I want to share them with you because I like sharing. Sharing's caring. This gorgeous girl is a brand new style from the wig company's Statements line. This is Undaunting. Undaunting or Undaunted? What are we? Undaunted. Okay, and I have her the color RH10. There's a review up on her, and yeah, you're gonna want to check that out. If you want to check that out, then check it out. So let's just get to all of this stuff. I want to start incorporating accessories more on the channel just so you can like see the versatility of some of the wigs. And so you will see these coming up in some videos. But this girl is those sort of, it's a fabric headband, but it's got these gold hearts on it, like little medallion things. I got this from Ross for $3.99. I just think, oh my god, what? OMG. I can't. This is so cute. So I got that. Let's just stay with the regular headbands. I scooped up this. This is so up my alley. I got this from TJMaxx. Look at this sort of, and it's not even just your traditional pink. It's sort of like a blush colored headband with this just, you know, Swarovski crystal type decoration. I got it for $9.99 from TJMaxx. Oh my, it makes me feel like a pretty princess. Oh my gosh. How adorable is that? I almost want to wear this. I think I might wear this. I'm going to set this one aside. You know, it's not going to be traditional Valentine's. It's sort of this like iridescent, yeah, see? It's iridescent, oil slicky, sort of pleather headband. I got this from Ross for $3.99. That's really cute. Kind of a different color. For the stretchy type headbands, because I'm like all about the half wigs right now, I got this beautiful girl in this maroon color with the sequins, and I got this, I'm pretty sure it was $10. It's a scrunchie, and I got this from Walmart. Ugh, loving that. I got this one from Ross, and this was also $3.99, and it's just this sort of 1920s-esque, you know, reminds me of like the polyester pants my grandma used to have and things like that, and it's just really pretty and dainty. I also just got these hair clips, and these are from Marshall's for $5.99, and some of them are like sparkly pink, a little bit of gold. You have this one that's sort of that faux pearl. This one has flowers, so I thought that was really cute. Some of these that I know I won't use. I'm not a big fan of gold, and the faux pearls aren't my jam, and probably not the flowers. These are some of the stuff that I will probably use as extras. Like I give extras when people buy wigs from me on Poshmark. I always try to put something a little extra. So it's little things like that that I like to scoop up if I'm not going to use, to put in there. And then I got these from Ross for $3.99, and they're those ponytail holders. I think these would be great for the wigs. So you have some that are like, you know, pink iridescent, light pink, but there's a purple one in there, clear. So I thought that was really cute. So I got that. Last but not least, I got these from, it must have been TJMaxx or Marshall's. I got these, and they were on TJMaxx, and they were on clearance for $2, originally $5.99. And they're just those ponytail holders, but they have sort of these like romantic ties. I think these will be super cute. Okay, so that's just the quick little Valentine's Day haul. If there's any of these that you would, you know, like to see worked into any looks or used when I'm reviewing wigs, go ahead and put that down below. And if you have subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. What am I doing? I'll see you in the next video. Bye.